The Overland Model 38 represents one of the earliest chapters of American motoring. Now, this legendary name has been reimagined for 2027 as a beautifully crafted heritage roadster that combines early 20th century styling with modern performance and everyday usability. Based on the images, this is a design study rather than a confirmed production vehicle. Its specifications, price, and launch schedule should therefore be considered estimates. From the front, the 2027 Overland Model 38 immediately establishes its vintage identity. A tall chrome grille dominates the center, featuring vertical bars, large Overland lettering, and a prominent number 38 badge. The design is upright, elegant, and unapologetically traditional. Large circular headlights sit independently on either side of the grille. Although their shape is historically inspired, modern LED elements appear to be integrated inside the housings, improving illumination without disturbing the classic appearance. Smaller auxiliary lamps are positioned below, while the sweeping front fenders create a wide and confident stance. Their metallic red finish contrasts beautifully with the glossy black lower sections. A polished chrome bumper, hood ornament, exposed mirrors, and central hood trim complete the front. Wider tires and a lower, more planted posture give this roadster considerably more presence than a completely original pre-war automobile. The side profile showcases the car's traditional proportions. It features a long hood, compact two-seat cabin, short rear deck, and a passenger compartment positioned toward the back. This layout gives the Model 38 the dramatic silhouette of an early luxury roadster. The separate front and rear fenders are connected visually by traditional running boards. A black folding fabric roof maintains the convertible character, while exposed chrome fasteners add to the handcrafted presentation. The wheels combine vintage styling with wider modern tires, suggesting improved grip, braking, and stability. Chrome hubcaps, red detailing, and black accents coordinate neatly with the bodywork. Despite its historical inspiration, the surfaces appear smooth and highly finished. The deep metallic red paint gives the car a premium appearance, rather than making it look like a basic restoration. At the rear, the externally mounted spare wheel becomes the main visual feature. Its black cover carries the Overland script and a large number 38 emblem, reinforcing the car's identity. Vertically stacked circular taillights sit on the broad rear fenders, while a substantial chrome bumper mirrors the front design. Twin exhaust outlets beneath the bumper suggest that this interpretation would retain an internal combustion engine. The wide rear tires and muscular fenders also give the vehicle a stronger, more stable appearance. The Model 38 license plate, exposed hardware, and chrome detailing preserve the mechanical charm of the original era. Inside, the Model 38 follows a simple but luxurious approach. The dashboard combines glossy black trim with a rich wood grain panel. Large analog gauges use cream-colored faces and chrome surrounds, creating an authentic vintage atmosphere. A thin-rimmed steering wheel, polished metal spokes, and a tall floor-mounted shifter with a white knob reinforce the traditional driving experience. Tan leather covers the bench-style seat and door panels. There are no oversized digital displays dominating the cabin. Any modern navigation, connectivity, or climate technology would likely be discreetly integrated behind the classic dashboard. No official powertrain has been confirmed. However, a suitable modern configuration could use a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 48-volt mild hybrid assistance. Estimated output could be around 300 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque, sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. A 6-speed manual could also be offered for enthusiasts. With a lightweight body, 0 to 60 miles per hour could take approximately 5.5 seconds. Modern disc brakes, traction control, adaptive suspension, and a limited-slip differential would improve safety while preserving the car's traditional character. A handcrafted 2027 Overland Model 38 could reasonably start between $85,000 and $110,000, with highly customized versions costing considerably more. There is currently no confirmed launch date. A potential unveiling could happen in late 2026, followed by limited customer deliveries during 2027. The 2027 Overland Model 38 proves that a historic design can be modernized without losing its identity. Its chrome grille, circular headlights, sweeping fenders, external spare wheel, and handcrafted interior celebrate the romance of early American motoring, while modern performance could make it genuinely enjoyable on today's roads.